Zainab, Zahran, and Zakaria. Here is Zainab, Zahran, and Zakaria were siblings who lived in a small town in Ras Al Khaimah. They loved to explore the nearby desert and mountains, where they would find all kinds of interesting things. One day they decided to go on an adventure to find the legendary treasure of the ancient Bedouins. They packed some water, snacks, and a map that their grandfather had given them. They set off early in the morning, riding their bikes along the dusty roads. They followed the map, which showed them where to turn and how far to go. They passed by some camels, palm trees, and sand dunes. They felt excited and curious about what they would find. They reached a spot where the map indicated a hidden cave. They parked their bikes and looked around. They saw a small opening in the side of a hill. They decided to go inside and see what was there. They entered the cave and turned on their flashlights. They saw that the cave was dark and narrow, with stalactites and stalagmites hanging from the ceiling and floor. They walked carefully, avoiding the sharp rocks. They heard some bats squeaking and some water dripping. They came to a large chamber where they saw a pile of shiny objects. They ran towards it and gasped. It was the treasure they were looking for. There were gold coins, jewels, swords, daggers, and other artifacts. They felt like they had discovered a whole new world. They started to pick up some of the items and examine them. They wondered who had left them there and why. They imagined that they were brave warriors or princesses who had lived long ago. They decided to take some of the treasure with them as souvenirs. They filled their backpacks with as much as they could carry. They were very happy and proud of themselves. They left the cave and rode their bikes back home. They couldn't wait to show their parents and grandfather what they had found. They thought that this was the best adventure they ever had.